So guys, for the day,
So guys, we're playing Division 2.
Let's go. But Marco is gonna show me how to play because I don't know how to play Division. She's gonna show me for the day.
Yeah, because it's new plane. It's like GTA 5. Bro, it's like GTA 5, but you can be hungry. If you don't eat, you die. And you can drive. You can do anything you want there. Yeah, so yeah, you can do anything you want there. And you can sleep. Let's go play. Oh, I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna kill you. And you can pick up anything. Bilang tutay masakit to. I gotta pay him. I got good.
And I have armor.
You have only a helmet.
Boosh, boosh, boosh. Nakuha ko na yung weapons mo.
What the boots? Ayaba. Ayaba.
Bawal yan.
Tumahan. Magkakasar ka 1 star. Hindi. Dito nga to. Dito nga to bahay natin eh.
Magkalaban tayo.
Ha?
Magkalaban.
Dito ako team.
Kalaban.
Ano pangalan mo sa game? Ako, Kyle. Kyle nga.
Ay, sa akin, JP. Gonna kill you.
Bro, Jay. Pati ko tumatakbo. May pumasok ko. Tinan ako daw yung paa mo, nabali daw medyo. Medyo masakit daw.
Ang pagkakang ganyan.